Yeah, that's right. I'm your Captain Edward Teach, and this is my vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge. And we're going to be sailing the high seas today, looking for what?
Free plants.
Free tropical plants. And how are we going to get them?
Landscape debris piles.
That's right, y'all. Today is trash pickup and landscape debris pickup day in our community. So we're going to sail around in our golf cart here, looking for free plants. We're still dealing with the daylight savings time. It's still dark in the morning when we wake up, so we're gonna have to battle with that. The video quality will improve as the light improves, but we got to get going here because somebody else is out to get our plants. Who is it?
British Royal Navy.
The British Royal Navy, aka the Waste Management Landscape Debris Trucks. They come along and crush up all of our plants if we don't get to them first. So we're gonna get going down the road, and we'll get back with everybody when we get something good. All right, we just rolled up on Dracaena of some kind, right? It's kind of what it looks like. Pull that out. What is that?
It's a toasty Dracaena.
Interesting. I'm not sure we have that variety.
We don't.
Dracaenas are easy to root from cuttings, so we'll save these cuttings from the trash for sure. All right, we zoomed past this bin, but it looks like there's some bromeliads in there. Can you get them out without making a mess?
This is not familiar.
What is it?
Oh,
wah, wah. All right, we'll try again. All right, we just found some kind of vine, like a taro vine or something. Does it have roots?
Yep.
Oh, it does. We are definitely gonna save that from the trash. All right, I know Teddy is real excited about this. You've wanted a pink door for your room for a while, right? So we'll definitely scoop this one up and stick it on top of the cart. All right, we got a pile of, looks like,
strangler.
yeah, it looks like that there's some Schefflera in there and some crotons. Let's grab those crotons for sure. You can root crotons from cuttings. Oh, it's got roots. Nice. We
might not kill this one.
Heck yeah. All right, we're saving that from the trash. All right, we're cruising along here. This is how we do it. We got to pass a whole bunch of piles and a whole bunch of cans before we get something good. It's usually just palm fronds, piles of palm fronds. Majority of what we have to clean up around here, but occasionally we get good. Those bushes look like they had roots on them. I don't know what they were. We're looking for stuff that we can root from cuttings or that has roots on it already. So we just gotta search and search and search. Here's a real nice example of a variegated Song of India.
Yeah.
Such a pretty plant. You can pretty much prune them to any shape or size you want. That one looks like it's flowering right now. See that?
Yeah.
It's cool. It's beautiful. All right, here is some variegated Schefflera. This one is real easy to root from cuttings. Teddy's gonna have to cut some because there's some bigger pieces. Let me see the leaves. It is gorgeous though. All right, we'll save that from the trash. All right, we got a bin of, looks like a bunch of just yard debris, but there is some Clusia in it. Show me. Yeah, let me see. So this is also called the autograph plant because you could write your name in the leaf and it'll stay there basically until the leaf dies. It's kind of hard to demonstrate. It takes a
You need like a screwdriver.
A knife or something.
Or
Yeah,
a
but
knife.
this one's easy to root from cuttings, so we'll save it. We'll save that from the trash. All right, we got a real nice looking ficus or rubber tree cutting right there. You want to grab it up, kiddo?
Yeah.
Is it too big to get out of there? I don't know. Yeah. This one roots from cutting super easy. This grows like a weed, basically. We'll save that one. Oh, there they are right there, the plant crushers. We're getting all of our plants. I guess they got them all out of that neighborhood. Bummer. All right, look at that. This guy knows what's up. He has one of the most beautiful yards in this neighborhood, too.
Yeah.
But he set out these coconuts right here. And I'll bet you they have water in them.
Oh, he also set out some cactus.
Nice. Some paddle cactus? Oh, nice. Grab a couple lobes of that and maybe a couple of it. Not all the coconuts.
Yeah.
Grab a couple of them. And we will definitely save the paddle cactus and the coconuts from the trash. All right, I flew right by this, but Teddy spotted these beautiful spotted bromeliads. Show them to me. Oh, yeah. Look at that. All right, and then also you said there's some plumeria. Oh, there is plumeria. Look at that. It's starting to leaf out too for the season. Can you grab any of it? Maybe just snap some off. Yeah, all right. We will save that from the trash. All right, we decided to stop by the beach for a little surf check because surf report said it was going to be good today. Oh, it does look clean out there and semi-glassy. Are there going to be waves today? It's kind of high tide right now. Oh, it's really high tide right now. Oh, there's waves out there though. There are waves out there. Looks like some fishing going on too right there. All right. We might have to go grab our boards. Look at that wave out there. Look at this one back here. Yeah, the high tide's sucking it down a little bit, but I think it's probably worth it. Okay?
Yeah.
So maybe when we're done shooting the video, we'll go get our boards. I'm gonna go walk over there and see if they've caught anything real quick. See if they've had any luck. All right, we made it back to the house.
Yeah.
I say that every week because our golf cart is old and we've replaced every part in it.
By the time we get back, it's going half speed.
Yeah, and yes, and even with new batteries on our way home, we're already losing speed. So, but we did make it back. We didn't get a massive haul like we do some weeks, but we got some good stuff, and I think we got one thing in there that we don't have.
Yes, I'm really excited about that.
But so let's go ahead and start with whatever's on top, and we'll get to that eventually.
So, I guess, rubber tree.
All right, first up.
Free palm frond.
With a free palm frond, woohoo! So it wouldn't be Plant Pirates if we didn't get some ficus or rubber tree in the trash. And there's a reason why we get this every week. It's because this tree or plant grows like crazy. They get huge. So I can understand why we find it every week. But here it is. Super easy to root from cuttings.
We got some plumeria.
We got a dead stick here. It's actually plumeria. It looks like a dead stick because in our area, in the wintertime, plumeria loses its flowers and leaves. We are up in spring now, and you can see our plumeria are starting to leaf out here. Some of the other ones we have around our property too. So who knows what color or variety of plumeria that is? Who knows? All right, kiddo, what you got next?
This is one of
Oh yeah, this is one of the finds of the day right here. I flew right by this. Teddy was the one that spotted it. This beautiful spotted vermilion here. And someone probably put this out because it's flowered and it's reaching the end of its life.
Yeah.
But if we plant this, it will shoot off new little pups.
They had a berm full of them.
Did they? I didn't see it. But yeah, if we put this in the ground, even this old plant right here will still shoot off new little offsprings, and then we can just, you know, throw this one away eventually. But boy, it is just beautiful. Look at that. Not too many spikes on this one either. Oh, I take that back. I guess there are spikes on it. All right, what else you got, bud?
Coconuts.
Coconuts, green coconuts. So that guy had a whole like box of them set out. I only grabbed a couple because I didn't know if they had water in them or not. I'm gonna be bummed if they do have water in them. Because then I would have wanted to grab a bunch of them. In fact, you know what? I'm gonna go grab my tool real quick and we'll check, okay? All right, so we just went in and got our little $5 coconut coring tool here.
It's awesome.
Yeah, it is really awesome. I mean, to get into a green coconut, you can't just like hack off the top of it and then access the inside that way, but this is real easy to do. You just take the top off like that and then shove this thing down. Oh, there is water in it.
Yay.
Oh, we should have gotten them all. Dang it.
We saved him for some other people.
Look at that. You want to give it a try, bud?
Sure. And these don't have as good of meat, but the water.
Yeah. So you open a green coconut for the water, not for the meat. Is it good? Let me try.
It's really good.
Oh, it is good. Nice. Ah, we should have gotten them all, I guess. Oh well, hopefully someone else will grab some. He's gonna drink it all. Look at him. All right, you ready, kiddo?
Yeah.
Let's show him what else we got.
I'll save this for later.
You can save your drink for later. Look, it even comes in its own natural cup right there. How awesome is that? And then the cup is biodegradable. All right, what else you got?
Plant we always kill.
Yes, I don't do great with crotons. This one has leaves. Actually, I don't know why someone dug this up. It's got some nice new growth on it.
Hopefully the roots will help you.
Yeah, it's got nice new growth on it and everything. Yeah, hopefully the roots will help some. I have a couple crotons. I have one. I mean, I have one right here.
You have two right.
I have one right here. I like this variety, whatever it is. And then I think the one we just got, I have another one right here. Which one did we just get, bud? Bring it over here. We have this croton right here, and I've managed to keep these alive. You can see they get like this scale on them. Oh yeah, that looks like this. Yeah, that looks like the same one.
I like the skinny leafed one the best.
Yeah, I think this is the same one. It just has a different color than this, probably because of the sunlight it was in. Hold it up next to this one.
That one looks a lot nicer.
Yeah, this one might have been in fuller sun. I don't know, but they're definitely the same kind, or the same variety. But that one has roots on it. This is a plant that you can plant from cuttings, but you know, if it has roots, that's even better. So,
Yeah.
stoked to find that. That's for sure. All right. What else we got? What else do we got?
Oh, that's on the bottom. So, variegated
Yes,
Schefflera.
the gold capella, I believe, is the variety. Schefflera. It's probably the easiest plant in the world to root from cuttings. That or the ficus. I don't know.
Ficus is these.
I mean, like literally, I have some of this gold capella over here in my little nursery area. And like, I mean, all we did was take those cuttings and stick them. Like literally, oh, look, it's even rooted the pot to the ground. We literally just stuck it right in the pot here and I'm not even sure I've watered that since I did that.
Yeah.
So, super duper easy to root from cuttings. And Schefflera is one, the plant that a lot of people use for hedges and the privacy hedges, and then just regular hedges around here. What else you got?
This.
Oh yes.
It's,
At first I thought that might be a taro, but I think it's a blushing philodendron, and it has a little bit of roots there. I'm not sure. I think I have a little bit of that planted over there on the side of the yard. So I think that's one that we already have in our collection. But still, this is a nice healthy plant. I'd be glad to put that in the ground somewhere. All right, what next?
We've got some autograph plant.
Yeah, we got the Clusia. I think you got a couple more cuttings of that, right? That right there. We get that every week.
That is roots.
It's really cool. It has leaves that are almost like a succulent, but this gets real big. It gets to be like a 15-foot tall tree. Or you could keep it as a hedge. You can prune it in several different ways.
Okay, here it is.
Is
It's a yucca.
this the plant of the day?
Oh, it's a palm.
Oh, it is. It was dark when we got it. No! So we thought this was some kind of yucca that we didn't have, but the lighting wasn't great. You're right, it is a palm. Wah, wah. That was gonna be like the find of the day, wasn't it?
Oh.
Let's kick it out of here. All right. We got a whole bunch of palm fronds for some reason. All right, was that it?
Yeah.
All right, so what is the plant of the day?
Coconuts.
The
I like
coconuts?
water.
The coconut, well, it's food, yes. All right, I'll give Teddy that. The find of the day is probably the green coconut, especially if we grab that whole flat of them. There's probably like 20 of them.
Oh, yeah, 15, 20.
Yeah, bummer. Aside from the coconuts, I'd say I'm either the most stoked about the spotted bromeliad or the croton.
Yeah.
I'll be honest, this other stuff, the gold capella, the Schefflera, and the ficus, we probably won't even plant because we already have enough of it, and all three of those get real big. So I don't think I'm gonna plant any of those. So, but overall, we got some good stuff. I'm bummed about that, but we got some stuff, eh?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. If you have any questions or comments about any of the plants that we found today, just post down below. If you enjoyed our little adventure here, maybe you'd consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. And if they don't, what's going to happen, bud?
Your car's going to get keyed.
Oh, your car's going to get keyed. Where does he come up with this stuff? All right, well, you don't want that to happen. So maybe just consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. Until next time, everybody out there, take care.